Ambassador Julio Camarena.
Dear candidate, what city in the world do you think best suits your character and why?
I think the city in the world that best suits my character would be Amsterdam. I love the city. It's very liberal. People are able to have fun, and yet they follow rules at the same time. It is a city that I would like to visit one day, and it is a city that definitely represents my fun personality. Thank you.
Thank you, Binibini 11. For our next Binibini, come on down, Binibini 1. Julian Aldrin Flores. Hello, Julian. How are you feeling tonight?
Lahat kasi ng bawal dun,
I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited.
Lahat ng bawal dun, legal.
That's okay. All right, your judge is...
Legal ang marijuana o legal
Mr. Adam Laker.
Amsterdam.
Good evening.
Karamihan
As
sa
a
mga
beauty
tao
pageant
dito,
contestant,
iisipin,
what would you say to
Masyado
people who
liberated.
lack in as much self-confidence as you have?
What I would say to the people who lack confidence is to trust yourself. It is by then people will believe in you, and when people believe in you, they will love you. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you for that answer.
Thank you very much. All right. Up next, we have Binibini 22, Mary Ann Bianca Guidotti.
Good evening. How does it feel having all these people scream for you tonight?
This is absolutely surreal, and I'm just so happy to be here, and I want to thank everyone who made it possible for me to be here tonight.
Good luck.
Good luck, Binibini. And your judge is...
Secretary Gregory Domingo.
My question is, should you win one of the titles, how would you use your crown to push for your advocacy?
Well, if I should win a title, I would use my crown to influence people to adopt their own advocacy. I want people to be passionate about it, something that really is close to their heart. I will someday, hopefully, make an NGO of my own. So that is how I would promote my advocacy. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Secretary Gregory Domingo.
Up next, we have Binibini number 3, Joanna Angelica Romero.
Pumasok
You
yung
look
artista, no?
beautiful tonight. How are you feeling? Are you nervous?
Si Alonso.
Yes, but I'm excited.
That's the important thing.
Oh, artista
All right.
yun.
Your judge will be...
Miss Melanie Marquez.
Okay, here's my question. There is a saying, there is a song says, all we need is love. All you need is love. Okay, apart from love, what else do you think we need?
Mabigat yun. Mabigat na question yun.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. I think aside from love, all we need is beauty. Well, beauty is not about physical appearance alone. It is about what is inside of you. It is how you share, how you inspire other people, and through that, we can achieve unity. And it goes on and on and on. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, up next, and we have Binibini 25, Mary Jean Lastimosa. Hello, Mary Jean. Before we start, would you like to say hi to all your fans?
You're such a crowd favorite.
First of all, I would like to greet my province a happy centennial year. Everyone's here from North Cotabato. And hi guys, thank you for cheering for me. And to all my supporters, I love you guys. It's amazing.
Thank you. And your judge will be
The beautiful Miss Gabriela Isler.
March
Ito ba
is
yung Miss
Woman
Universe
Month.
2013?
For you, what is greatest advantage of being a woman?
I'm sorry. Oh, the greatest advantage. The greatest advantage of being a woman is being able to compose ourselves. Just like here, we're standing in front of thousands of people, not knowing if you're gonna cheer for us or boo us. But we try to compose ourselves. We keep the emotions and show the beauty that is in us. And tonight, thousands of people are standing here celebrating the beauty of a woman. And that's an advantage of a woman. Thank you.
wow. All right.
The crowd went wild.
Thank you, Binibini. Up next, we have Binibini 8. Pia works back.
Oh, ito.
Another
Kaya
crowd
artista.
favorite. Would you like to say anything before we start?
I'm just really happy to be here tonight. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time and I'm finally here. So thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, judges.
Senator Juan Edgardo Angara.
Good evening, candidate. Okay lang ba Tagalog? Can I ask it in Tagalog?
Opo, pwede ko rin pong sagutin ng Tagalog kung gusto niyo po.
Ano yung... Very good. Ano yung pinakamagandang leksyon na may tuturo ng isang babae sa buong mundo?
Ang isang leksyon na may tuturo ng babae sa buong mundo ay yung tiwala sa kanyang sarili. Yung intuition po na tinatawag natin. Pag meron ka pong intuition, alam mo po sa sarili mo kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo sa mundo. Kahit na hindi ka sigurado sa nararamdaman mo o sa naiisip mo, pero kung alam mo sa intuition mo, then magiging successful ka po sa kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay mo.
Should I say it in English for the other judges? I don't know if there's enough time, but intuition, it's very important.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pia.
Thank you very much.
All right, up next we have
Instinct mo.
Binibini 4.
Parang gano'n, no?
Parul
Yung
siya.
para sa kanya, parang yun ang gumagabay sa kanya. Kaysa kumbaga yung pwedeng maging guide mo, pwedeng maging partner mo rin.
Hello! You're such a crowd favorite as
Sarili
well.
mo.
Why don't you go
Everyone's
say
been screaming for you. How does it feel?
It's overwhelming. Yes, it's an overwhelming feeling to have everyone here to come not only support me, but all the other beautiful 39 Binibinis.
Okay.
There you go.
Please press the randomizer.
Miss Corina Sanchez.
Hello, candidate, and good evening to you. Good luck. As a Binibini, you must be updated on events happening around you. What particular current event or latest news affects you the most and why?
I'll have to say it's about the Malaysian Airlines that went down. My sincere love and compassion goes out to all the families that lost their loved ones. But all I can say is that we shouldn't lose faith in God, and everything will go on if we have faith in God. Thank you.
Binanggit na rin yung Yolanda Victims.
We shouldn't lose faith. That is true.
Mas current event yan, lalo.
All right.
Binibini,
Last but
Pilipinas
not the
yung,
least, Binibini 23.
mas okay sa kung sa Pilipinas. Kaya pinag-ano na lang niya.
You look lovely tonight.
Kinulaborate
How
na
does
lang
it
niya
feel
yung
to be
Yolanda
part of
Victims
the
tsaka
top
yung Malaysia.
50?
I'm just
The
very
struggle
happy
to
to
be
be
strong.
here, to be able to stand in front of so many people, risking for my dream.
Dreams do come true, and you're here now tonight.
All right. Your judges.
Miss Cory Vidanes.
Good evening. Do you think that being a beauty queen is a plus or a minus in landing a serious job in the corporate world?
Uy, magandang discrimination
For
ang
me,
pinakabottom
being a
line.
beauty queen is an advantage because if you have the beauty, you have this ability to inspire and influence other people. You have this beauty in you that you can use to share your talent, your skills, and your resources. In that way, is that it is an advantage for your work.
Thank you very much. There you have it. Well done, ladies. We hope you all gave it your best shot because on the other side of the break, the other 7 finalists are gonna give their all to trumpet. Mga kapamilya, please stay tuned for that. We'll be right back.
The 2014